In this video, you will learn how to change the name of your iPhone. So if you are a complete iPhone beginner who is looking for a way to change your iPhone name, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, it's Rahul here from TechReview and let's quickly learn how to change the name of your iPhone. So in order to change the name of your iPhone, you have to go to settings and then you have to scroll until you see general. Once you see that, tap on that, it will take you to the general settings. And here you have to tap on about. And this will show you all the details about your iPhone. So here you see your name, which is your iPhone name. So tap on that and here you get the option to edit your iPhone name. In your case, this may be something else like iPhone or my iPhone or your iPhone model name. But here I have previously set up a name. So I'll simply edit this and I'll enter a new name here. And once that is done, simply tap on this done and this will change the name of your iPhone to a new name. So that is how you can easily change the name of your iPhone. And by the way, if you want to learn how to change your iPhone ringtone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.